Hello, FCS 2250 computer application students. I've been getting a lot of questions about this animation on slide 2. So I'm probably going to set up a two-part series just dealing with this animation on slide 2. So let's go ahead and get started. In your textbook, I'm on page PPT for PowerPoint 159, and I'm down in direction number 1, and it's telling me to come down to the bottom right-hand corner and adjust my zoom slider to about 200%. So we're going to zoom way in, and there we go. So let me go ahead and flip my page now, and now I'm on page 160 and back to direction 1, and it says tap or click the car clip art to select it. So let's go ahead and select that, and then we're going to go to the format, your picture tool format, which we're on, and then we are going to go to the we want to click format, click format. You want to go in the arrange group to this group option right here, and we're going to go ahead and click on that, and what we want to do is we want to ungroup according to direction number 2 on page 160, and this is going to pop up and you're going to say yes. Alright, so it should be ungrouped now. Now it tells us to tap or click the format on the ribbon to display the drawing tools again. So we'll go ahead and do that. We're back to format. And then we need to tap or click the group button again, and then tap or click the ungroup again to display the objects that constitute the car clip art. That was direction, or the second bullet for direction 3. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to choose group and ungroup again. And that now has caused us to do this. And if you look on page 161, figure 3-20, they look very similar to each other. Alright, so now we're going to jump down to direction number 1 at the bottom of page 161, and it says tap or click the area of the slide that is not part of the clip art to deselect the pieces. So we're back to square one here. Now we're going to tap or click the car's left front tire to display the sizing handles. Left front tire. We're going to click on that. Actually, you want to get on the tire. That was the innermost part of the tire. That's what we want to have right there. So we have that selected. And once again, you can look at figure 321 on 161 for that. I've now flipped to page 162. I'm on direction number 2. And it says tap or click the shape fill arrow in the drawing tools format tab. So here's my shape fill right there, and it's telling us to fill that with black, and as you can see, that tire now has been filled with black. Alright, direction number 3, tap or click the color black again. Well, we've just done that, so alright, beautiful, we have it black, so we've completed direction 3 as well. I'm jumping over to page 163 now. I'm on direction number 4. Tap or click the left rear tire to select it. We can do that. And then we're going to change that to black as well. So go to your shape fill, black. Now we're going to do that one last time to the front right tire. So let's make sure that we're on the entire tire there. And black. Alright, oh, I want to be on the inside. I'm going to Control Z to undo what I just did. And I want to be on the innermost part of it. I was on the outermost part of it. And I'm going to go ahead and change that to black. Once again, I did a Control on your keyboard plus Z. That's an undo. You can also go up to this area here to undo things as well. But I always use shortcut keys when I can. So Control Z on that. Now, we're still on page 163. We're at the bottom, and it says to delete a clip art object. Tap or click the background in any area where the pink color is displayed. So we can see this pinkish color in the background. We're going to click on that. Alright, and if you look at the object on 326, it looks like my fill handle, my size handles are where it needs to be. We're going to now go to the Home tab here, and we are going to choose cut right there, and it has just cut that out of there. We now are going to click on the purple background right there. According to direction number 3, you can see figure 328, and again, cut. and that's out of there. We now are going to click on the actual road, or the pink color behind the vehicle, and we're going to cut. Last but not least, they want us to select one of the road items here. Now hold your Shift key down and then click the other road. And if you once again look at figure 329, that can help you out as well. And we're going to cut, and it takes the road out of there. All right, last but not least, over on page 165, we need to regroup these objects. So we are going to select the clip art, which we need to do. Let's go ahead and select it. All right, and we're going to go now to our Format tab. So let's go ahead and click on Format. We're going to go to Group in the Arrange area and choose Regroup. That then takes that picture and brings it into one image instead of having multiple layers of that actual image. And then last but not least, it tells us, you know what, let's go ahead and slide this back to about, they say 74%, but 70% is just fine. And then it tells us to increase the size of the vehicle according to the image. And so this is just a trial and error. And so I'm dragging the out of it. I'm going to go ahead and bring this down as it tells us to. And it looks like the tire may be at the bottom of it, and then the head is at the top of that. So I'm just going to kind of put it in the middle and play around a little bit and try to get that according to the image on page 165, image 3-31. And that is about what we're looking at right there. So it's touching the picture a little bit over here and whatnot. So I think I did pretty good with that. So with that, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. On the following page, it kind of tells you how to copy that from one slide to another. I think you guys should be just fine with that. My next video, we're going to work on animating this image to fly in and fly out, as well as do some work with the text. So please watch that video.